Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive and delete a board on Trello. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or just organizing your workspace, knowing these steps can be really handy. Now to begin, you need to log in first onto your Trello account. So as you can see, we're currently on already. We have three lists, the to-do, and progress, and done. So I have each board here inside the list, and you could go ahead and move them by dragging them onto other list, just like that. Now to go ahead and to archive card in here, you'll just need to go ahead and hover onto each card in here, just like this, and you should be able to find this icon in here or a pencil icon. If you select this, you should be able to find something like this, and there is an option to archive that. So you should be able to find that one here. Just click onto this one, onto the upper right corner of the screen, and you should be able to see the archive items. So you should be able to see that one in here. And once you see that one onto the archive list, it will give you an option to go ahead and delete that. So as you can see, it will go ahead and ask you to delete the card. Just click on the delete again and it should be removed onto your archive list. Now, if you want to go ahead and archive a whole list of card in here, just go ahead and click onto the three dots in here and you should be able to scroll down further and see the archive this list. So you could archive all of this list or you could archive all the cards in this list. So you have two options. Just go ahead and click onto which one you prefer. And then right after, just go ahead and do the steps again earlier. Click onto the upper right corner of the screen, click onto archive items, and you should be able to see that one here. And since that one is list, you'll just need to select on the switch to list and you should be able to see the archive list in here, which is to do. And then you could go ahead and send it back to the board. And there you have it. You know how to archive and delete boards on Trello. Remember, archiving keeps your data for future references, while deleting it is permanent. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.